Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you a complete workout of 14 effective yoga asanas which will transform your body completely. You will get rid of extra fat and will achieve a toned and slim body naturally. These asanas can be done by kids, teenagers, elders or all age groups. These are very effective to lose extra flab and weight. So let's start doing step by step these yoga asanas. First asana is Parvat Asana or mountain pose. To do this, stand straight. Now slowly bend down and place your hands on your mat. Make a distance between your feet and arms. Now try to touch your head down on your mat or closer to your mat. Just breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Second asana is Vriksha Asana or tree pose. Fold your one leg and place your feet on your other leg closer to your pelvic area. Stretch your hands up in Namaskar position. Breathe normally and just focus on one point in front of you so that you don't lose your balance. Stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Third asana is triangle pose or trikona asana. To do this, stand straight with your legs apart. Now fold your left leg, bend down and place your left hand closer to your feet. Make sure your hand and your feet should be in one line. Other leg should be straightened. Raise your right hand and look at your right hand fingers. Stay there for 5 to 10 counts and breathe normally. Same way you can do it for other side also. Just make sure that your feet and your hand should be in one straight line and your back leg should be straightened. Stay there for 5 to 10 counts and then relax. Fourth asana is Veerbhadra Asana or warrior pose. This is the first variation. Stand straight with legs apart. Now turn your right side with left leg straightened and right leg bend. Now stretch your hands straight to your shoulder level. Look at your right side. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Same way we can do for other side also. Bend your left leg and right leg straight. Stretch your hands to shoulder level and look at your left side. This is the second variation of Veerbhadra Asana. Bend your right leg, left leg straight. Turn on your right side. Stretch your both hands upwards and do a Namaskar. Make sure that your back is straight and not bent. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Same way you can do for other side also. Just breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts and then relax. Next is plank. Just lie down on your back. Now keep the elbows and feet on your mat and raise your body. Make sure that your body is in straight line and hips are not lifted too much. You can hold for 20 to 30 counts and then gradually increase. Sixth is upward plank. Sit down on your mat and place your palms on your mat near your waist. Now slowly raise your body. Try to keep your body in straight line. Look upwards and breathe normally. Hold as much as you can. Seventh is Bhujanga Asana or Cobra pose. Lie down on your back. Now with the help of your hands, raise your upper body. Lower body and abdomen should touch the floor. Look upwards and keep your elbows slightly bent. Eighth is Dhanur Asana. Lie down on your stomach. Now hold your feet with the help of your hands and pull it upwards. Your abdomen only should be on floor. Try to keep your body. Ninth is Matsyaasana or fish pose. Lie down straight on your back. Now with the support of your arms, raise your head and bend it backwards. Touch your head on mat. Elbow should touch your mat. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. 10th is Setubandh Asana or bridge pose. Lie down and bend your knees. Place your hands on your mat near your waist. Now raise your hip upwards. Your head should not be raised and should touch the mat. Now do up and down movements of your hips. Breathe normally and do it for 5 to 10 counts. And then relax. 11th is Pavan Mukht Asana or wind relieving pose. Lie down and bend your knees. Now raise your body and hug your knees. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts and then relax. 12th is Noka Asana or boat pose. Raise your both legs at 40 degrees and stretch your hands. Feel the vibrations in your abdomen. 13th is Janu Sirs Asana. Sit down and fold your left leg. Stretch your right leg. Now turn slightly towards right and touch your right feet with your left hand. Your right elbow should touch down on your thigh. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Exhale and then relax. Same way you can do it for other side also. Breathe normally and stay there for 5 to 10 counts. Exhale and then relax. 14th and last one is child pose or Balasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Now inhale and raise your hands and bend forward. Touch your head on your mat. Stay there for 5 to 10 counts and then relax. Guys, do these asanas daily and see the results in less than a month.